hear me out. We know Manchester United has been shit this season. We know Manchester United has been shit for the past 10 years. That is a given, right? That you have to ask question about it. We know that for a fact there's been shit. And we know that enemies of Manchester United, pundits alike and fans, keep talking shit about Manchester United ever since Alex Ferguson left. And you make your punchline at the papers so Manchester United fans can react, so our enemies can react, and it circle goes on and on. But this quote that I saw on Twitter kind of ticked me off differently, and because of what I saw in the game last game against Brentford. Jamie Radney, whatever friggin' man named Jamie Redknapp, up on Twitter and talk about Manchester United make Brentford look like Real Madrid. Now I'm